Hi friends, in this tutorial I will show you how to use if condition in workbook. First we will practice the if condition formula, then at the end of the video we will be using if with the and condition by using multiple conditions and see the results. Let's suppose we have a result sheet and we want to see the result of the students. First insert formula equal to if marks is greater than 50, then what will happen? True condition, pass or otherwise fail. Bracket close. If marks is greater than 50, then pass, otherwise fail. Just press enter, you will get the result. Copy it. See this. If we change the marks to 30, it will be fail. Now suppose we want to add grades, for example A grade, B grade and F grade. This is the multiple condition we want to use on this result card by using if condition. With if we have to use and formula to support this. Equal to if and bracket start marks is greater than equal to 50 comma the other condition marks is less than 70, then bracket close, then the result should be B. The grade should be B. Second if and marks is greater than equal to 70 comma second condition marks is less than equal to 100 bracket close, then the result should be or grade should be A, otherwise false condition is fail. F bracket close, enter. Oops, marks, enter. Say this. This is the formula. I am going to paste here. C2 is equal to marks. See this. This F A, for example, we change the marks to 65. B, if we enter 100 marks, it will be A. Hope you like this video. Please practice this. If you have any question, write it in your comment box. Thank you. Please subscribe. Thank you.